What's up, guys? It is almost Christmas, and today we're going to talk about 5 gifts for your favorite creative. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about some gifts for your favorite videographer, photographer, or maybe just for yourself. Let's get right into it. Number 1 in the hat we have Death Wish coffee. This is one of my favorites. It's supposed to have kind of the most caffeine out of any brand. I really just love the taste. It doesn't have any of those kind of sour notes that I don't generally enjoy with coffee. And this can be yours for a mere $14.98. Check it out. Number 2. For all those super enjoyable Zoom meetings that we all have to do these days, why not look a little bit better? I went with the Logitech Pro webcam. This thing has been awesome for me. It looks so much better than my built-in iMac camera. And of course, when you're a videographer, who doesn't want to look a little bit better on those Zoom calls? You can get yourself a Logitech Pro webcam today for $99. Number 3. Ooh, no, it's not magic, folks. This is an Aperture B7C, an RGB LED light that can plug into any light socket and charge from that light socket or be used battery powered. I can't tell you how handy this thing is on video shoots when you have a practical light and you really want to be able to control it, especially through the Aperture SanDisk Link app, to be able to make this light any color, any temperature, any brightness that you need. This thing is a game changer. Pick up the Aperture B7C today, usually $70, but right now if you get yours, they are on sale on Amazon for $49. Number 4 is one of my favorites, the Helios 58mm. This is a vintage lens. You can generally only find it on eBay for about $60 to $70. This is an awesome vintage lens that you can generally find with any adapter for the mount on your camera. It's got tons of character, super unique light leaks that come into this lens. You are looking at only manual focus, manual aperture, but this thing will get you some cool looks. Pick it up on eBay, generally around $60 to $70. And finally, last but not least, this is a good one for everybody, the SanDisk Extreme Pro. These things are amazing. Little portable solid state drives, blazing fast. Most of the drives we were using were Samsung T5s or T7s that max out around 1,000 megabytes per second. These things will go up to 2,000 megabytes per second. They're super rugged, water resistant. These things are normally just over $500. You can grab one right now at a big discount at $249. So if you want to grab any of these items, links are in the description below. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions on items for yourself or your favorite creator. So make sure you like and subscribe and share this today with your favorite creative. We'll see you next time, and have a Merry Christmas. Our fireplace is buffering. That's a normal thing.
Warm in your butt.